Yeah.
You can see here the
Wait.
critter of Mayon.
Is it?
Try to guess before you do it.
And
Wait.
that is the whole mountain.
It's squid.
Amazing.
What is it?
Eyelashes.
Whoa.
Yeah, we're here at the Mayon Planetarium. This is the view of, I don't know, Albay? That's Tabaco. Tabaco City. Port City. Tabaco, and then I don't know what bay that is. And the nice view is right there. It's Mayon Volcano. That's the planetarium. Tapos may zipline din dun sa taas. Starship Cafe right there. It's Carlo, my brother. That's Mayon Volcano. It's nice. This is the reception area, Villa del Rey of Sur Water Sports Complex here in Pili, Camarines Sur. And we're just checking in. The late check-in is ready. 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Nag-analyze kami. Kuha kami reports. Yun. Yung ano, kasi ano eh, kasi you're gonna be talking to exporters. Ganito. Experience. Kasi depende kung anong sector din. There in toys, garments, gano'n. Kasi mga anong problems na
Ito yung ano, Peña Francia Basilica. It's one of the numerous churches here in Naga City. And revolving around Peña Francia. So mamaya may procession, and they're just gearing up for that. And that's my group taking photos.